The San Francisco Bay Area Korea Center is located in downtown San Francisco. The center aims to support the cultural and educational progress of Korean Americans. They have provided services and programs free of cost to over 150,000 people. One of the people behind all of this is the chairman of the San Francisco Bay Area Korea Center, Dr. Jonathan Kim.
40 years ago, 100-year building was purchased for the San Francisco Bay Area Korea Center. The remodeling cost $4.1 million. The Kim Kyung-Kim Foundation donated $1 million. The Korean government donated $500,000. We have collected more than $2.6 million, total $4.1 million. We just completed the remodeling of the San Francisco Bay Area Korea Center last month. This impressive achievement was made possible because of our patriot fathers who made numerous sacrifices for the country and its people. The San Francisco Bay Area Korea Center is using AR, VR to create our patriot forefathers a great achievement and great minds. I believe that this is our duty to educate the generations of today, just like you, to understand the 5,000-year Korean culture history. The center will provide a lunch program for the seniors and transportation service for the elderly, and also ESL programs. And I believe that the San Francisco Bay Area Korea Center will be a multicultural hub for audience that provide a window into Korean music, art, film, history, language, literature, and cuisine. And this center is for not only the Korean community, but also other communities as well. And I want you guys to just contact us. You could use this center anytime. So this center is for everyone.
The San Francisco Bay Area Korean Center connects Korean Americans with other ethnic groups in the San Francisco and Bay Area by sharing Korean culture and offering diverse programs. Through education and cultural activities, the organization helps bridge cultural gaps, enriches the community, and promotes understanding and unity.